Okay. Making a band. Hey, city.
Oh, no.
Navy.
It looks so much better. It looks a lot better.
Yeah, it's clear shit now.
Yeah,
I'm bugging. We make sure.
Making the band is coming to a city near you.
We good now?
Making the band.
Yeah.
We back. And the Combs Brothers, Combs Cartel is gonna be a part of it this time. You know. Hey yo, please.
Shot o'clock.
Shot o'clock, you alright?
I already took 2. Y'all still
Yeah, man.
Gary V. I'm not even trying to flex. Ask the butler to get some shots.
It's a UQ.
Y'all should let Gary V jump on.
Yo, Gary V. No, hold on.
Yo, tell Gary come on and spit some bars, bro.
Hey, yo. Dead ass though.
Made Gary jump and spit some bars.
Hey, so listen. Right now, we continue where we left off. It's blurry.
It's your dad's phone.
Alright, so listen. Can y'all see us? We need some rappers to tune in right now. R&B singers can tune in too, but strictly talent.
So should we go on the
It's so delayed.
It keeps pausing.
Let's go.
Better not. It's clean.
Yeah, it's good.
Are you on the Wi-Fi?
You have to see how lag.
That's what I'm saying though. You're not on the Wi-Fi though.
You think if I was on the Wi-Fi, would it be delayed?
But
Yeah,
it's
that's
still
probably
clear
yeah,
though.
I don't know.
Like,
Nah, that's good.
To us, as long as they catching it.
Yeah. It's not gonna be the exact. Alright, yo, we bugging.
Okay.
Alright, listen. Who's trying to spit a 16?
If we going live with other people, it obviously works.
Press 16 if you want to spit a 16. I need to hear something crazy. I need to be inspired.
That shit is sharp though. It ain't even tripping.
It looks.
I said get off of it, so just so you can see.
It's not our fault.
I think it's good.
This is a wrong.
I think it's good. It's good.
It pauses.
Yeah. Everybody quiet down. We don't got the speaker yet. You can't put the speaker on the job?
Yo, well, you know the thing going on straight from Birmingham, UK, where I come from. You hear that?
Yo, state your name, where you from, and spit that shit, man.
Yo, Extreme, straight out of Birmingham City, UK. You hear that? You know, we some madam and we bad and clean. Well, you know the thing, so watch out now. Girl, let's say a word we link. Just give me time to take you out for you. Drink that sound good, baby girl. Where you think real talk? She make me feel like a pimp. But the cock up on her back, she have some pretty brown skin. So cock it up and fling it back. Me beat it like it a drum. Now say a word, me you go pull out anytime. Me come me hold a beard and touch the road anytime when me done, cause it no serious. She knows that the thing on the front, she's like a magnet. I pull me closer. And she no waste time to take off her clothes. She know man bad man and we no play a certain game. That's why she have to give me the throat. Girl, she get a 10 out of 10 dust for style and swag. Full of attitude, dog. We talk the one you bad wet. Dog, me love how that girl you move. Me pretty brown and dog. She full of herbs and grooves, skin smooth. She full of tattoo. Me pretty princess dog, but in the bedroom she rode. Make she turn in now which when she ride on the broom, baba boom. Sweep you off your foot and then move. Voila. Cause we're not done yet, you know. They are going to have fast thing now. Hold on, now wait, some madam mean our bad and clean, you hear that? Yo, what I'm bad, you know.
Fucking with it. You had that swag, yo. What I'm gonna say, I like it because you had that swag. Your delivery was on point. You just took me somewhere with the bars. It was hard. It was hard. What you got?
Respect my brother.
Hey yo, I said keep doing your thing. You got that definitely that delivery.
You came with a different style, different flow.
Yeah, and I never expected you to sound like that. Call me up.
All right, madam. I mean, you hear that?
Well, man. What you say?
Yo, the feedback that I'm giving you is I love the energy. I felt that you was right on it. You know what I'm saying? Your delivery was good. Your confidence was good. And keep working, man. You feel me? You definitely surprised me, and I like that. Much
Bless
love.
up, brother, yeah?
And yeah,
Madam.
yo, come to the auditions because we taking versatility. We in Atlanta. Where we at? North Carolina? Yeah. North Carolina, Houston, New York. Pull up, man.
Yo, bless up on yourself, yeah? Madam.
Bless up, bless up, bless up, bless
All right,
up.
who's next? Who's next? Who's next?
Hey, yo, who next? Are we still doing R&B or we doing a hot 16?
You might need to go back to R&B though. Ain't that's the theme though,
Yeah.
right? We got to keep the theme.
All right,
going.
let's keep the theme. Let's keep the thing going.
Thank you.
R&B.
Here.
Everybody have it?
All right, press 1 if you're ready to come do some R&B first.
Shawty, you got a shot?
Yeah.
Let's take a shot.
The shots are good vocals.
If you love yourself, take a shot. This one is a blessed year. More success, more health, more wealth. Love y'all. Stay close. You know what I mean? Stay family.
And cheers to
thank God. And cheers to making a bid. Approve.
Yeah.
All right, who want to help me pick? What we doing? This one? One is for R&B. After that.
I have to go outside and get some water.
All right, we're going live with. Not yet. Not yet. It's R&B.
Y'all ready?
Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, y'all.
How you doing?
Yo.
What's up?
What's
State your
up?
name
Oh
and where
my
you
God.
from.
Finally.
State your name.
My name is Devin. I'm from Philly, Philadelphia.
What's up, Philly?
Philly.
What's up,
What
Philly?
What up? Hey.
I'm gonna just get right to it. I'm gonna sing for y'all because I'm at work and I'm
All
ready
right,
to
let's
be
go.
there. Y'all ready? I don't know what it is that you've done to me, but it's caused me to act in such a crazy way. Whatever you do, when you do what you do, when you do, when
Let's go.
Yeah.
it's a feeling that I want to stay. 'Cause my heart starts beating triple time with thoughts of loving you on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do when the thoughts of you is you. I get so weak in the knees. I can hardly speak. I lose all control. Something takes over me, and it makes me so amazing. It's not a fake. I want you to
Oh shit.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go first. I respect your grind and your hustle because you're at work right now and you focus. You on your shit. I like that. I would say I love the vocals. You definitely surprised me. You know what I'm saying? Some of them notes you gotta really like. Coco, that SWV, she was going crazy. So just add a little bit to it. Like you went crazy too, but add a little bit more, get like fine tune it, and you good. But I fucked with it. I like the energy. I like the way it sounded. You know what I'm saying? Keep doing your thing and keep grinding.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Y'all soon.
Nah, I thought it was good too. I thought it was good too, but with the notes, certain high notes that you're hitting, you gotta make sure whatever song you sing, you can make sure you hit it because you was fluent through the whole thing. On certain points when you hit the high notes, it went a little left.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo, what I would say, like, honestly, I liked it. But it was just something. It was just something that it wasn't connected with me. So just try to like go a little bit harder. I think that's all you gotta do is just go a little bit harder.
I got you. I got you.
Maybe if you wasn't at your job, you'd probably go way, way harder. That's hard. That's hard.
I got you. Ain't no excuse. I got you.
So listen. Pull up to the audition.
Okay. Thank y'all.
All right. Co-host. PJ Ken.
Came back with the shades on. So, look, we looking for that. We're looking for that next R&B singer. When you come on in this live, make sure you state your name, where you from, you know what I'm saying, and make sure you come with your voice, man. Don't be raspy on it. You know what I mean? If you need a shot, take a shot.
Come with
if
that.
you need some water,
Drink some tea right now. Hey, yo, shout out Frenchie and bad boy.
Hey yo, I said one thing real quick.
Go boy, huh?
Also too, we want to see what y'all think in the comments because not everybody, you know what I'm saying, is a artist. So we want to hear what y'all feel. For sure. And give these people that are coming and showcase their talent like real feedback.
For sure.
Like, you know what I'm saying? If you're not fucking with it, put the shitty sign. If you like it, put the fire sign. We're gonna just get it straight like that. So let's have someone else that wants to sing R&B. Please type R&B.
Or press 1.
R&B,
Okay.
press 1. Let's go.
Press 1.
But
And this live is
if you got real vocals, put R&B so I know to just click on you.
This live is sponsored by DeLeon, by the way.
It tastes so good. Finish the bottle during the live.
If you love yourself, take a shot at DeLeon.
Only.
This live is sponsored by DeLeon, by the way. Are y'all ready? Press 1 if y'all want to sing.
You said I'm gonna press R&B, right?
You did R&B or press? We did.
Put R&B in there. Then we gonna pick y'all. But they pressing 1, same shit.
Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? We about to pick someone right.
And just grab the 1.
Yeah. Big Belly, you're next. State your name, where you from.
Hey, yo.
Alright, yo, what's up, bro? Hold on. We ain't doing all that. State your name. Where you from, my brother?
Sorry. I'm so sorry, bro. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's all good, but just state your
You go. Right with you. Where you from? What's your name?
I'm sorry.
What's your name?
Man, I'm a nigga from Miami, bro.
What's your name?
I'm a nigga from Miami.
Fuck with my.
Hey, that's pretty Ricky.
Where you from? I mean, what's your name?
My name's Shelter, but they call me Big Buck.
Big boy?
Big Buck.
Big Buck. All right,
Buck.
Big Buck. Let's see what you got.
All right, Big Buck.
Let's get it.
Come with that. I tell you, if you listen, if you need some water or some tea, better take it down.
I got it.
All right, rap.
It's 7 in the evening, and everybody's leaving. I decided to stay in, cause I just feel like chilling. Hold on, wait.
It's taking the water.
Wait. Yo, I'm nervous, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm nervous. I just blew it. I ain't gonna lie, blew it.
Nah. That's fine. Come on. Try one more time.
All right, take my pick.
You got it, bro.
Like that's one of my idols. Man, a pretty Ricky nigga, bro. It's 7 in the evening, and everybody's leaving. I decided to stay in, cause I just feel like chilling. And I wonder if you felt the same. And can I come over? Cause I'll be here. I'll treat you right.
All right, good, man.
All right.
I'm sorry I was so excited, bro.
By the way, that was a great song.
I think he was a little
I've been on
nervous.
here for like 30 minutes. Like, big buck.
But listen, I think he's a little nervous, but I think I like his confidence. Hold on. I think he's a little nervous, but I like his confidence for coming up here and trying. You know what I'm saying? Because it takes a lot for someone to really come up here and try to sing with all these people, all these comments and stuff like that. But I want to say, keep working on your craft, though. You know what I mean? Keep working on your craft, and I think you got potential for sure.
Facts. Hey, but get them notes right, though, brother. You know what I'm saying? Study them notes. Get to the piano. Just get in tune. Get the frequency right. You know what I'm saying? And just come back stronger.
Yeah. Well, overall, though, I understand why you shut the Pretty Ricky song, but you got to figure out what song fits the best for your voice.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
You know,
I think Jamie Foxx song better, dude. I ain't gonna lie.
okay, well, see, you got to come with your A game. If that was the time, this was your one shot.
I was trying to keep my chain in. I ain't gonna lie, I'm sorry.
All right, nah, it's all good, bro. You went for it, so it's all love. So you just come back harder. That's all.
Keep doing your thing,
All
bro.
right, do your thing, bro. All right, peace.
All right, thank you.
Love.
It was some verified.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They trying to sing some R&B.
Let's see what they got, bro.
Look, state your name, where you from, and basically just make sure you ready. You know what I'm saying? It's okay to be nervous, but just make sure you're ready when you come on this. Sponsored by Delion. What's up, bro?
Whoa.
What's up? State your name and where you from, my brother.
I'm from New Orleans.
Hello?
Burnell Till, I'm from New Orleans.
What's up?
Get it.
What's up?
Let's go.
Damn.
I know.
Y'all can hear me? Y'all
Yes,
can
sir.
hear me?
Yeah.
Let's get it started.
All right, let's go. Darling, I can't explain. Where do we lose our way? Girl, it's driving me insane. And I know I just need one more chance to prove my love to you.
Yeah.
If you come back to me, I'll guarantee that I'll never let you go.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Some class. I rock with that. You had them both guys.
Niggas felt that one.
Appreciate it.
What y'all gotta say? Y'all like that? Y'all like that?
Thank y'all. Thank y'all.
Like that.
Let me do one more. Let me do one more.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Encore. Floor is yours. Encore.
Make it short. Swing straight to the point.
Thousands of people trying to get on, you know. I give everybody a shot.
Uh,
No, he deserved an encore. He did. That's a fact, though. Yeah, he came through. He came through.
You got 5 seconds.
If you're that good,
Hey, take off.
all right.
Get it.
When I was younger, I saw my daddy cry and curse at the wind. He broke his own heart as I watched as he tried to reassemble it. And my mama swore she wouldn't never let herself forget. And that was the day that I promised never sing of love.
Yo. I think the first one was good. He left. You scared of the pressure. But listen, making the band auditions, you can come back. Coming to Atlanta, North Carolina, Houston, New York.
You know what's
Pull up. All right. Who else singing R&B? Y'all want to hit on rap real quick? Yeah. I try to hit some bars. Yeah. 16. We need a 16 bars.
No, real quick.
16 bars.
I know this is R&B, making a band, but real quick, if you got like balls real quick, just press 2. We gonna call like, he's gonna do a little intermission, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get right back to making a band, and we're gonna do a little intermission with the balls right real quick. So press 2 if you got straight balls.
We're probably gonna have some bars in making a
Don't
band
play.
too, but just
Yo, listen, don't play your
first
stuff.
auditions is just R&B, so for auditions for making the band, it's R&B artists at first. You gotta start with
you weren't invited to play.
you know, the hooks is.
Y'all ready? Are y'all ready?
They're not ready yet.
Bro, Deli, don't take a walk with
It's some verified checks in.
That's what I'm saying.
It's like, it's some verified, like it's heavy.
I got it right now. Hold on.
It's some verified checks in that just getting like left in the stores.
Yo, we looking for somebody that can rap right now. We want to do one more rap.
R&B one time. No?
Avery Wilson type. Avery, we're gonna lie with you. R&B until the MCs is ready. Everybody be quiet.
Yo, what's good?
Where you from? State your name and where you from.
Avery Wilson, and I'm from Connecticut.
Connecticut, what's
Avery
up?
Wilson. from Connecticut. I bet.
Let me see. I'm gonna just go to the bridge.
One more chance with you again. I will not let it go. Oh, please, please give me one more chance for love.
Okay.
Girl, I want to know your name.
He's not.
Yeah. Nah, hold on. I need one more song. Do one more song.
Yeah, you gotta come to auditions, bro.
Yo, I like that though. I need one more though. I need one more.
To make sure, it is what it is.
Yo, listen. Let's see something. Let's go.
Let's go. Round 2.
Another song. Let me see.
When you say that you love him, when you really don't, everything that used to matter, it don't matter no more.
Oh.
Money on my cars, you can have it all. Yeah, I'm fortunate.
Yeah.
Have you, girl? I want you to know. Really up all my people to know what's going on. Look at me and help me sing my song.
Yeah.
Oh my girl.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell it to the whole world. Say I'm yours.
Yeah.
Oh my man. Promise to love you the best I can.
Yeah.
That's hard. Hey, yo, come to the auditions, man.
Hey, yo. That's how you shut up. Hey, yo. That's how you shut down a live. That's how you do that shit.
Yes, sir.
That shit is fire, bro.
Appreciate you.
Gotta come to one of the auditions. Where you from again?
I'm from Connecticut. Avery Wilson.
Yeah, we gotta take a shot to
Yeah.
We're gonna have somebody reach out to you. Definitely make sure, you know what I'm saying, you get out there so we can see you in Connecticut.
Yeah. Now you gotta come up.
Yeah. That's what we're looking for. That's the type of talent we're looking for, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna save the live so we gonna see. Yo, love, bro. Keep doing your thing. We're gonna see you soon. Yes, sir. You already know, bro. Love, bro. Keep doing your thing. Hey, yo, I need faith. I see you, man.
We like that.
No, somebody.
Faithful, I seen that.
Yeah.
Come here. Swag, the boys.
All right, let's go.
Everything.
Yeah, that's fire.
That nigga had it.
Faithful.
Hello.
Faithful.
Fatty Fool.
Oh, faithful.
Hey, hold on, where you from? You from Faithful?
Haiti.
State your name and where you from, darling.
My name is Fatima. I'm from Haiti.
From Haiti.
Sagafet.
Pose. Nabule.
All right, let's do it. Let's. Can we see you? You're not trying to be seen right now.
I'm not really trying to be seen because if I turn on the light, I might bother.
Okay.
All right, no
Well,
problem.
we want strictly the voice right now. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, I might do a little something. If I could forget him, I would. Please believe me. And I know that I should throw the towel in. But baby, it's not that easy. Yeah. You treat me so much better than him. And if I could say there would be no competition, but I'm in love with someone else, and I'm so sorry. Hey.
I like that. I like that.
Thank you.
I like that. I like that. I like that a lot.
Thank you.
Can I hear one more song?
Yeah, because that one, yo, I feel like you could do better than that. Because I heard.
Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous right now.
Don't be nervous. You in the zone. You got it. You got it. You got it.
We can't even see you. You good.
I heard something in there that I know is special,
Okay.
but
Let that thing fly.
you didn't do it all the way through. So let's hit that one more time.
Let me see what I can do. Some people search for the fortune.
Yes.
Some people search
There we go.
for the fame.
Yes.
Ooh.
Yes.
Some
Yes.
people
Yes.
search for the power.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Just to play the game.
Keep it going.
Some people search for the I forgot the words.
Nah, yeah.
I knew you had that in you.
That's how you come back.
Nah,
Okay,
for real.
yeah.
That's how you come back.
Haiti,
Yeah.
you definitely put on for your city. You know
I
what I'm saying?
try.
Your whole country, I'm sorry to say city, the whole country, the whole nation.
Yeah. A country, Haiti.
And I just feel, I really feel that you put on, you was nervous at first, you got it back
I'm
together.
very nervous right now. I'm shaking because I didn't know you guys were going to call me. I was like 111, but
Nah, it's good though. You definitely rose to the occasion.
Nah, that was dope.
Christian brought it out of you. He brought that beast out of you. And, you know what I'm saying? You delivered.
thank you. Thank you guys. Bye.
Worldwide with this. So pull up to the audition. Bro, I want to see you because I know I can make a star out of you. My pops can make a star out of you. The whole family.
Really?
You already a star. But
Boy, thank you.
New York, Atlanta, Houston, where else we at?
Right.
Okay.
Right.
North Carolina, yeah. But much love. Keep doing your thing.
Much love. Give somebody else a chance to sing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Somebody else is scared.
All right.
What's next? Yeah, that's the LA is where the last one get picked.
Like and subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell notification, guys.
And we'll always keep you guys up to date on the latest trends.
Check out our Facebook and our Twitter. The links are in the description below.
Thanks for listening.